Hey everyone, how's it going? Today I'm going to show you guys how to draw a candy cane. So to start off with our candy cane, you want to begin right here, and I'm going to start by making a line that just kind of goes down, over, and then it's going to come back up like this, kind of like a smiley face. Then, starting right here, you just want to draw a line up, and then you're just going to kind of curve it down here. And you want it to go really, really long down here. All the way down here. Then, starting over here, you're just going to draw a line that's just going to follow the same curve as this. So you just want to kind of curve it around, and then do the same thing. Just bring it down like this. Then, whenever you decide how tall you want to be, just kind of draw a curved line to connect both of these, just like that. Now the last step on here is to add the stripes. So to add the stripes, you want them to kind of go at an angle. So I'm going to start right here and draw a line that just kind of curves up. And then I'm going to add another one right here. And then you want to leave a little bit more space and then put some more in here. And you're just going to kind of fill up your whole candy cane with all of these little stripes. They're just kind of curved and they're just kind of go up at an angle. Now, as you get up here where it starts to curve, what you want to do is just kind of draw them up a little bit. So I'm just kind of drawing them going straight up. And then just going to put another one here, and then I'm just going to draw a little curved one right here at the end. And there you go, there is your drawing of a candy cane. I'm going to fast forward and start coloring this. Thanks for watching, hope you guys enjoyed.